Thought I'd film because this pretty moon. Hear all the frogs on our pond. There's some bats flapping up there. Just got our new fenced in area here. Let this golden comets flock out. I just put them up for the night, but yeah, we're gonna add some more birds, some geese and some ducks, maybe a couple guineas for an alarm. Who knows? Eventually, this upper field up here, we're gonna do more with. I'm loving the Bradford pears, but all right, just wanted to show you the moon back there, looking cool. Take care.